Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to set up Face Unlock on your Google Pixel 10 Pro phone. Let's get into it. So first of all, you need to go to the settings of your Pixel phone, and from here you need to scroll down until you see the security and privacy section. From here, go to device unlock section, and here add face. First of all, you will need to enter your device password that you put previously. Then it will give you some basic information for what reasons you need to set up your face unlock, how it can be helpful for you, and just some regulations to agree as well. Then you need to set up Face Unlock by yourself. Here is a little bit instruction of how to proceed with this, and you can just start. As you can see, the system required you to move your face from different angles in order to remember it, and then it will pop up this screen with looks good thing. You can also skip lock screen if you wish to, but I will just click with done. And then it also asks you to proceed with other biometrics, as for example fingerprint unlock, or if you already set it up you will not have this option. I'll say no thanks at this moment, and you're done. Now if you will try to open your Pixel 10 Pro phone, it will automatically ask your Face ID, or in other case, password. So that's everything about it. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel, check our updates, and I'll see you in the next one.